What's up, 6B? This is just a quick little video for those of you who are having difficulty with the question 2, how to do that, or I guess to do the best way. I want to go over a special symbol that will make your graphing future a little bit easier. So first of all, we'll talk about the data they give us in this table here and why that presents a bit of a problem. What we have here is we have a chart of the number of killer whales spotted off the coast of BC between the years 2002 and 2006. Now, when you check the variance, that means the change in your data, it's not really changing very much. It's all around 80, right? So 81, 82, 86, 85, 87. So there's not much of a change. But the problem is, those are some decently big numbers. So when you go to draw a graph, it's going to look something like this. Even if you go by tens, your graph is going to be like all nothingness with your data way at the top there. Look at that, way at the top. And it's like, but what about all this space? Use this space. I know. Well, if you had a better math teacher, he would have introduced to you a friend, and that friend's name is page break. Actually, I just said it wrong. Line break. Line break. Okay, so a line break can be used if you have this like ridiculously open space here and you want to like get rid of that and focus on the key data. So that's used actually in a lot of places, used on the news. It's going to be used in high school. So I think this symbol would help you for this question. In fact, spoiler alert, I know it will help you. So just give you an example, you could go and you could start counting at 0, insert a line break, and then bam, jump to 1 million. So if you're talking about population and it was somewhere around the millions range, you could make a break that lets you essentially eliminate all the need for the other numbers and pop right up to 1 million. So on this question, I did it 2 ways. I did that first way if you didn't do that, and this isn't wrong. It's just that it's really hard to read that information. And this is the way, again, that I think is a bit more clear. And what I did was I started at 0, and then I did a line break, and I jumped up to 80. Because all my data are between 80 and 88, right? That way, now you can really see that variance from year to year. So you can see it's much easier to compare those points. Whereas up here, it's the same data, but it looks like nothing. It looks like BIP. Okay, one more time. With the line break, wow, look at that. No line break, look at that dead space, and then at the top. So line break is your friend. Use he or she or they throughout your math career because it will make things easier. And those of you who procrastinated and are still working on that question, now you know how to do it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.